Hello viewers, welcome back. Problem is find the initial value for the function f of t equals to 2 into u of t plus 3 cos t into u of t. So for this we have to calculate initial value. So we know the initial value for the function f of t can be written as limit t tends to 0 f of t equals to limit s tends to infinity s into f of s. So here f of t is given as 2 u of t plus 3 cos t into u of t. Convert this into f of s. F of s equals to 2 by s plus 3 into Laplace inverse of this cos t will be s by s square plus 1. Now limit s tends to infinity s into f of s can be written as limit s tends to infinity s into 2 by s plus 3s by s square plus 1. So now multiplying this s into this total function. So 2 this s gets cancelled. 2 plus 3 into s is s square by s square plus 1. Limit s tends to infinity. So now we will take s square common from this. Limit s tends to infinity 2 plus s square into 3 by s square into 1 plus 1 by s square. So s square gets cancelled. S tends to infinity means 1 by infinity 0. So that becomes 2 plus 3 equals to 5 is the answer. And next problem is find the initial value for the transformed function f of s equals to 0.9 into s plus 1 by 2.1 s square plus 5s plus 16. So for this we have to calculate the transformed function f of s value for the initial value. So now using initial value theorem we know limit t tends to 0 f of t equals to limit s tends to infinity s into f of s. So limit s tends to infinity s into this f of s value we will write 0.9 into s plus 1 by 2.1 s square plus 5s plus 16. So that is equals to we will take s square as common from this. Limit s tends to infinity s square into s into 0.9 into s square. So we will get 0.9 and plus 0.9 into s, that is 0.9 by s square has taken common, by 2.1 into s square plus 5 by s plus 16 by s square. So s square gets cancelled and we will get 0.9. 9 by s means it is a 0 value. 0.59 by this is 0 and this is 0, we will get 2.1. So the final value will be 0.428. Next is find the final value for the following. Number 1 f of s equals to 1 by s into s plus 4. Number 2 2s plus 51 by 47 s square plus 67s. So first we will write first one f of s equals to 1 by s into s plus 4. For this we have to calculate final value. Using final value theorem, limit t tends to infinity f of t equals to limit s tends to 0 s into f of s. So now in final value theorem we will directly substitute s equals to 0. So that is limit s tends to 0 s into 1 by s into s plus 4. So there is a chances of cancelling these s and s, and if we substitute s equals 0 we will get final value 1 by 4 directly. So this is very simple. And next coming to second one, 2s plus 51 by 47s square plus 67s. So for this limit s tends to 0 s into f of s can be written as limit s tends to 0 s into 2s plus 51 by 47s square plus 67s. So in denominator there is s and s square. So if we take s common from this, there will be two real constants are possible. So limit s tends to 0, s into 2s plus 51 by taking s common, 47s plus 67. SS gets cancelled, s tends to 0, s tends to 0, we will get 51 by 67. So that this is the final value for this problem, this is final value for this problem. And next problem is obtain the response of a unity feedback system whose open loop transfer function is g of s equals to 3 by s into s plus 4 for a unit step input. So this problem saying that we have to obtain the response for a first order time constant system. So if we draw the block diagram for this, we will get r of s g of s equals to 3 by s into s plus 4 c of s. This is unity feedback already given in the problem, unity feedback system. So this is the block diagram for this problem. So now obtain the response. This response we have to calculate of a unity feedback system whose open loop transfer function for a unit step input. R of s is step, that is 1 by s, and we have to calculate c of s, and we know the value of g of s, that is 3 by s into s plus 4. So from the concept of minor feedback loop or feedback system, c of s by r of s equals to formula is g of s by 1 plus or minus g of s into h of s. If it is a negative feedback, then we will get plus here. So we will substitute g of s 3 by s into s plus 4 by 1 plus 3 by s into s plus 4 into h of s is unity. So again simplifying this, we get 3 by s into s plus 4 by s into s plus 4 plus 3 by s into s plus 4. These two gets cancelled and we will get 3 by s square plus 4s plus 3, which is equals to c of s by r of s. And again from this we will get a factors. 3 by 3s square means it is 3s and s square plus 3s, s into s plus 3. So that is one is s plus 3 and second one is plus 1s plus 3, that means plus 1 into s plus 3. So s plus 3 and s plus 1 factors we will get c of s by r of s. As already we know r of s equals to 1 by s, we have to calculate c of s. So c of s is the output response that we are going to calculate. R of s is nothing but 1 by s into 3 by s plus 1 into s plus 3. So now using partial fraction, always in Laplace transform while solving the problems we should definitely use partial fraction for the solutions. Using partial fraction we can divide this into a by s plus b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 3. Now we have to calculate a, b and c values. At a at s equals to 0, that is 3 by s plus 1 into s plus 3 at s equals to 0. S equals 0, s equals 0. We will get 3 by 3 equals to 1. So a equals to 1. Next b at s equals to minus 1, that is 3 by s into s plus 3 at s equals to minus 1, which is equals to, at s equals to, this is minus 1 and s equals to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3 it is 2. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2, that is minus 3 by 2 is b. Next c at s equals to minus 3, that is 3 by s into s plus 1 at s equals to minus 3. This is minus 3 and this is minus 3. So minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 and 3 gets cancelled. Minus into minus plus 2, that is 1 by 2 equals to c, and this is equals to b. Finally substituting the value of c of s, which is equals to a is 1 by s, b is minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 by s plus 1 plus c is 1 by 2 by s plus 3. Applying Laplace inverse, c of t equals to 1 minus 3 by 2 into exponential power minus t plus 1 by 2 into exponential power minus 3t.